Yeah. Numbers down there. What is that?
Photo booth.
A photo booth.
Yeah.
Ah. Shumigo is a photo booth. Ah. So this is Thompson Hall. This is will go on today until this evening and tomorrow. Ito. Malamig siya sa loob kasi air condition. Okay, if you didn't see my first video, so you'll see this again. I'm just gonna have to. What does that smell? Touching something in my nerve. Thompson Hall. Okay. Look at the structure of Thompson Hall. Panay salamin, all glass. Daming pan, daming. Stuff. Stuff. Okay, I'm gonna... Ako naman, ilagay ko naman mukha ko. Ang sarap mag-exercise. Nag-i-spasm yung likod ko. Nag-i-spasm. It's so. It's right in there.
Yeah, that's what I said. We do have.
Behind me, look. Things wine.
So, yeah, you can find us online. We offer free shipping across Canada. So, you need to reach out.
Hey. Welcome to Valley of Drinking Coffee.
Our beautiful thing is free. Bali.
Okay, hold on.
Coffee Lua. A gray Lua coffee.
Okay. What is it?
Coffee.
Coffee, no liquor?
No, Lua. Not ito. Later.
You know, I'm a little bit expert on cooking coffee.
Okay.
You know why? See, if too much heat, when it's too hot, the water, you burn the
Burn
coffee.
the coffee. Yeah.
You burn the coffee. So you have to have exact
Yes.
temperature. Yeah.
This one make it so everybody, some people don't know much about that. So we actually make it like almost a normal way,
Uh-huh.
easy for them. Maybe it's too hot.
As if I know.
I'm curious to
My taste buds is gone long time ago.
It's okay, we enjoy.
Huh? It's good. It's good.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So Bob.
You know what's good on this? Bellies.
Bailey, a little Bailey.
We put bellies or the other one. There's another one that
Yes, Bailey and the other one.
but it's more creamier than
The
Bellies.
other one. Yes.
That's the best one.
Yes, Bailey, I know Bailey. Yes.
And that thing, yeah, and just
Caramel also, I think.
you don't need no sugar, no milk
Just
because
that- that's
everything
the
is
Bailey on
there. Yeah.
Now you got the idea. Next time you pass by,
But
come
the
to
thing
Bali
is, if
Coffee.
I quit cigarette, right? So
Yeah.
if I'm gonna go coffee, my teeth gonna go yellow and huh? And
Coffee keeps you going.
and then get addicted to it too also. Coffee, it's nice. It tastes good.
I just wanted to check out the t-shirt.
Yes, we have this very beautiful
Yeah, neat idea.
beach, or very thin, just like her.
Oh yeah, okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the coffee.
Thank you for drinking Bali coffee.
Huh?
Thank you for drinking Bali coffee.
So
And this is Pogi and Sundari.
thank you. No, I still have it.
Yeah, it's okay, Kuya. Enjoy.
No, because to drink something like this, you know what? We went to the that sell the machine, the espresso. Oh,
We actually take it to the
expensive than the car.
espresso machine.
Yeah, we go like it's all espresso machine that they sell everything. It's new.
Yes. 11,000,
Yeah,
13,000.
Mm.
We did the shopping.
yeah. We went.
And 6 days of training. I mean 6 hours of training. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah, and that's it. Oh, big business and thing, you know.
But those are the FEMA, the very expensive one, coffee machine. Italian.
Yeah.
You like quality, right? It's not going to break down.
But I'm not into it. I was before because
For the business or just for
my service is to desaline the coffee maker and even though boiling water they create
teach? You teach
huh?
or what you do?
we desaline
If I buy one, you want to install it.
no I mean no we don't install it. It's when the coffee machine doesn't work,
Yes.
so you have to open it.
Yes.
Everything in that because there's build up
Built up calcium.
calcium. Yeah.
That's why we have to get a good, sometimes for the water.
Yeah, that's how I I learn about the coffee machine because the boss we don't even have to say it, but he was just showing us that it's a big business about the coffee where they grow it only at and they grow it somewhere.
No, I mean, you fix that here sometime.
I learned it here for
You're learning here to fix the machines and maintain them.
I learned everything. It's just like it's just a machine and you have to open it and then you gotta know how to take it out and it was a pre-program for me. I went and then I learned it and then I become I pick up those coffee machine that has a problem already. So you just we pick it up and then we bring it to the shop.
And then maintain it.
If you clean it, if it takes heat, if it doesn't take heat, we have to.
Yeah.
Hello. We have to open it. That's the problem. So anyway, thank you.
Thank you, Tito. You have a wonderful day.
Huh?
Wonderful day.
Big money on this?
Huh?
It's hard. Not to make. Yeah, very hard.
Up and down. Like
Huh?
every business.
Very
But
hard.
coffee has been selling great.
Only,
Especially
yeah.
depends on people's budget. Some people that have 25, they have $12, 13. It's still all the same. They're great. We just don't overcharge. We're not like.
I have The doctor didn't say nothing about about anything anymore. Say, I have a problem here.
Yeah.
I'm a cancer survivor. There was cancer in my bladder, and well, I stopped drinking, stopped everything. Then, you know, I went for chemotherapy and thing, and I just over 1 year now that I'm cancer free. Over 1 year cancer free. I said, wow, yeah. So I watch. I'm thinking, stop that for my system. No, but then the doctors they never say anything. That don't drink this, don't drink that, no nothing. He didn't even.
It's excess.
Yeah, he
Everything is by need.
yeah he didn't even tell me not to drink or something like.
Yeah, he told me, we're Filipino, right?
Huh?
We're Filipino, right?
Yeah, when?
You eat
Uh-huh.
baboy.
Baboy. Lechon?
Pork lechon.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's what I say. You have to cut down a little bit.
Huh?
Cut down a little bit sometimes.
Yeah. Cut down on that. Yeah.
Yeah. Because
I didn't to tell you the truth.
sick. You know?
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.